Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can join a Discord server without invite. It's really fast and easy, and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android, the process will be pretty much the same, right? So first, of course, open Discord app and then go to your servers and just hit plus icon right here, and then press join server, and here you need to copy this link, https discord.gg, as you can see here, like I'm doing right now, and then slash and your Discord server. And the next step what you need to do here basically is to put your Discord server name that you want to join without invite, right? So for example, I will put games and press join server, and as you can see here, now I can basically accept invite here and join the server without invite, right? So basically you need to just know server name and you will be good to go, right? So guys, that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.